Wow. Maybe 18, huh?
I'd say so.
What do you think?
Look at that. Beautiful.
Come on fishing with Ladin and you'll have some fun. Cast a fly in Alaska on the wild Yukon, or catch some trout and salmon in good old Washington. Fishing with Ladin, casting with Ladin, man, that's a lot of fun.
All right, we're heading into the Yellowstone River. We're in Yellowstone National Park and heading down for that right there. Looks like there's a great hole, so we'll give it a try.
We moved down toward the river, and soon we were fishing.
Do you want to move up, Larry, or do you want to? Where do you want to be?
I was just going to run it through here a few times,
Okay.
and then I thought eventually I'd make my way up to that spot up there, but
Okay.
probably not until we're ready to move.
Oh, there it goes.
Fish on!
Got one. There we
Fish
go.
on.
Nice.
It didn't take long for Larry to hook into the first fish of the day, and it was putting up a strong fight.
That's how I catch them. I get distracted and then boom, there they are. That is a cut, or is it a rainbow?
Maybe a brown.
Is it a brown? Oh, that's slick. Where'd he go?
I think
That's
it's a cut.
cutthroat.
Yeah.
Hey Steve, you want to net that for me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, now here he comes. You see him?
Yeah.
Come on, buddy.
Got him.
All
Oh
right.
boy, what a fish.
Woo, thank you.
What a fish, you bet.
Boy,
Some on that.
look at that guy.
All right, I'm releasing this fish for Larry. Beautiful cutthroat he caught here out of the Yellowstone River. Goodness, that's a fat fish.
Fish, Steve, look at
Look
that guy.
at that. Wow. Maybe 18, huh?
I'd say so.
What do you think?
Look at that. Beautiful.
Nice fish. Good job, Larry, on the nymph. What kind of nymph is that?
That was a little like perdigon. It's a bead-headed, pretty big tungsten bead on it, little
Yeah.
orange flash on it.
Nice.
Funny thing, we were just sitting there talking when that thing went down.
Yeah,
I just
I know.
happened to glance over.
Hey, I was distracting you. That's the way to do it,
That's
right?
how I do it all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for netting him.
You bet. Good job.
We're fishing this little back eddy here. It's really deep, so about 10 feet under an indicator. We've got a little black Pat's rubber leg stonefly. And then beneath that, about 1.5 feet, this is what caught the fish. A little tungsten beaded perdigon, a little orange flash on it.
Earlier, on the way to the river, we saw some of the amazing sights Yellowstone has to offer. We saw steam vents on the Gibbon River.
Yeah, it's just beautiful stuff to see everywhere in Yellowstone.
Yeah, there is. It's different too.
This very scenic drive. We're coming down off of the kind of the Caldera Rim and down into Mammoth, and it's a cool drive.
We also stopped at the Roaring Mountain, one of Yellowstone's most popular sites. This is some kind of waterfall here in Yellowstone. We don't know what it's called, but it's just one of the cool features that you'll see just going down a typical road. Fish!
Nice, Ladin.
Caught in that back eddy. Woo! Come on, baby. Doggone it. Okay, look at this. Come on, guy. Come on, baby. Beautiful cut. Come on.
Ooh, nice.
Doggone it. Stubborn right here. Oh! Doggone it.
Oh my gosh. Oh, what a gorgeous cut. What a fight. What a fish. Gorgeous, big cut. Oh man, what a nice big cutthroat. Finally, it's been a long, hard day for me. Haven't had much luck. I think that was the first bite I actually got today even. And I cast out this way and just let it ride this back eddy, thinking that that's not gonna work, but sure enough, beautiful cut, yanked down my indicator and took my fly, and it was a great, great fight.